Hi my internet friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create YouTube video thumbnail, how you can create this. So you don't need to know about Photoshop, you don't need to know about like Illustrator, you don't need to any coding knowledge about this. It's a very simple tricks and I'm just showing you in a very simple way to create like a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just using like Canva website, like Canva software. Just you need to search Google and canva.com and open this website. So first create an account here. I already created an account and already log in my account, and just you need to click on this create design, and here as you can see, so this create YouTube thumbnail. And if you're not finding out here, as you can see here, the create design, and click on this YouTube thumbnail button. And we don't need this home page because we can easily design our thumbnail over here. So I already tell you, you don't need to any kind of coding knowledge of there. Okay, so now I got in a simple on a white board, and just we can easily type over here as we wish. If you want to add or import in here any kind of template, you can easily use the template. As you can see, lots of templates, so I don't want to use here any kind of template over here because I have an idea. I'm just showing you how to create. And here as you can see, uploaded option. If you have any kind of custom photos or logos and other, you can easily upload it here. And if you want to upload any kind of videos, you can easily upload it. Just simply click on this here, upload an image and video, and select your photo or video, and when it's upload done, then you will see in the present of here. And here as you can see the images, and some photos are free and some photos are paid and premium. Here as you can see some elements, you can easily use any kind of elements of here. If you want to find out any kind of specific elements, just search of here. If you want to finding out arrows, so just simply type your arrow. And as you can see, the lots of arrows present here, and here some elements are paid and some are free. And here as you can see the text, you can easily use the free text, and if you purchase that thing, you can easily get this. So I will give you this link, Canva link, in my video description. So if you join this Canva, I will got some extra feature. So here as you can see the video, you can easily use the short video if you purchase this their premium plan. And here as you can see there's some free video. If you want to get this, you can easily use that thing. Here the background, you can easily use any kind of background, and here as you can see the lots of colors are present here. If you want to use any kind of a specific color, you can easily use that thing. Here the folder, I don't know what is the folder. Here the more options, so we don't need any kind of more options. So here the apps, some apps are present here, so you can easily use that thing. And here as you can see the color option, so if you want to change this board color into another color, something black or red, you can easily change it too. Okay, so I just recently created a new video. I edit a video. I just want to open this. Alright, so I want to take a screenshot from this. So how you can screenshot, just simply click on your web search button and finding out your shipping tool. Okay, so search here SNI, then you'll see the shipping tool. Just simply click on there, and when you click on there, then you'll see and something like this. And here as you can see new, that means if you want to take any kind of screenshot and from your screen, you can easily use that thing. Here the delay, and here the cancel, and the option, some option. So I just want to take a screenshot here. Just simply click on new, and I just select here how much I want to add in a screenshot. I just select here that means that, as you can see, I just select here. I select, and here as you can see the save option and the copy option and some lots of options. Just I need to click on the save option, and I just select a folder because I need a folder here. So I just rename it to PB1 and enter. It's now saved. I just close that thing and close the video and go to my browser and upload select here upload, click on upload, and I just need to find out it here the photo. I just press P and I got this my photo. I just select here, and I'm just basically this video for Soul.that theme. I just search in Google Soul.that theme and click on images because I want to add an images about like Soul.that theme or Soul.that theme logo. I just download here a photo and go to here. Let me check which is looking. So replace here this photo, so you can easily do that. Just simply drag and drop here this photo and it's now in my photo. And if you want to add something like, you can easily, if you click on here, it's automatically open on this. And if you want to delete here any photo, just simply click on or click over on this photo and press delete, and or click your mouse right button, and then you'll see some option of here, copy, paste and delete. If you want to delete this, click on delete, and again I just click on here and I just resize this photo. Okay, resize this, and okay, so it's looking like good. Alright, so it's looking like good. Okay, so I just want to change this opacity, so I just click on this here, the lock side transparency option, and change it to 50, and then you'll see its opacity now. Okay, good, looking good. So if you want to change anything else here, and there's some option, adjust, crop, flip, and lots of option. So I just simply drag and drop here this new photo and crop this thing. So I just crop here that thing and done, and I just resize here that thing, so you can easily resize this. So I just drag and drop here. Okay, again I just click on crop and again simply change it to something like this and done. And here the problem, you know that I am just making videos about like problem solving, something like that's why. Okay, so I just copy here the notice, the text, the error text, and go to the text, and I want to finding out here on a simple text. I think this looking good. I just drag and or I just click on here and here. Okay, I just paste here. So when I paste here, how it's looking like this. Okay, so it's looking something like this. So I need to resize that thing. I just resize this and again drag and drop here. Okay, so I just resize again and change the delivery, the notice, everything are present here, and just click on this uppercase. So when I click on this, then you'll see it's looking like this, and I just change to the color. So I just simply click on this A and change it to yellow color because I like yellow color. Okay, it's looking okay, so it's looking good. Click on the side, and as you can see, okay, so it's looking okay. This is a problem, the problem name. Okay, so alright, so it's looking good, and again I just click on this here and change it to how to fix, and remove this free text and resize again here and drag and drop here and again resize here. So I think it's looking good here. Okay, So if I change this color, it's looking good, I think. So it's now attractive. Okay. Alright, so it's now looking good. And when your thumbnail making done, just simply click on this download option and click on download. It's take some seconds to download. Okay, it's now done, and our thumbnail it's now in a PC. So simply click on this and show folder, and as you can see, this is our thumbnail. I hope guys you like this. It's very simple, and as you can see here are some tricks and some feature of here. So if you use any kind of text of here, you can easily change it to, if you want to add an underline, and if you want to make it bold, and if you want to change it to italic, you can easily do that. So if you want to create something in a list system, and if you want to add your letter space or line height space, you can easily do that thing. Everything are present here, everything. So if you want to change any text size, so you can easily change this. So here as you can see, so simply click on this, and here as you can see some pixels, so you can easily change it. So I don't need to change over here. And here another option is, if you want to change any like the font family and font name, you can easily change this. And if you want to find out any kind of a specific font family, you can easily do that. And you cannot use your font because you need to go to this premium version. I don't know how much price the premium version, so let me check that thing, how much price. Okay, so you can trial, okay, try it free, and it's yearly charge 100. Oh my god, so every month you need to pay $10, something like this, every month. I don't know why, but it's so much expensive. So if you have money, if you have enough money, you can buy this. I will give this referral link in my description. So if you use my referral link, I got some small commission, and it's helped me. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thanks.